This is John Speweik. We're out here at 1 West Wilson doing the historic masonry training component number 2, removing the mortar joints in the brick, stone, and terracotta. And today we're going to be doing the center cut method according to the preservation brief number 2. We're using a dust control director apparatus for a very thin mortar joint removal blade. It's a diamond tile blade that we're actually using. It's going to draw the dust from the unit as we cut through the center of the joint. All participants engaged in a discussion of the preservation brief number 2, repointing mortar joints in historic masonry buildings prior to engaging work on the wall. We're at 1 West Wilson, and we've just finished out our cutting out the mortar joints and prepping the wall for pointing for tomorrow's training. You can see here the mortar joints have been removed. This is what the original mortar joints look like before we remove them. We used a combination of a center cut method, then followed by a hand chisel and 5-in-1, then followed by pneumatic chisels, and then we used a needle scaler as well in the process of removing the mortar. Tomorrow. At the conclusion of the training on the wall, the participants went back to the trailer to take a written test and then received hard hat stickers at the conclusion of the program.